Eric Hatcher with Century 21 Cornerstone, coming from beautiful Auburn, California, where today we are cooking with your agent. And we're going to be having some kind of fun stuff, but I wanted to introduce you here first to the house. It's 23744 Dark Horse Drive. It's a beautiful home. It was one of the original Street of Dreams homes. So check out the links below and you'll love it. So maybe about a year or so ago, we went to Hawaii and took the whole family there, and we wanted to have maybe some kind of teriyaki chicken bowl. And so we found some recipe, and we really, really loved it, because what it actually allows you to do is, if there's picky eaters or if you have guests coming over, you can actually substitute with the teriyaki rice bowl of maybe some brown rice, some coconut rice, some white rice. You might have a guest who doesn't like chicken, so you can leave that off the plate. So we're going to go ahead and make everything. So here we've got is number one is just some chicken breast. You've got some coconut. You can actually roast the coconut off the top, mix a little bit of nice little extra on the top if you wish. We've got some nice colorful vegetables that we're going to be using. Most important here, and you can have different sauces if you want, if you don't like teriyaki, but if you choose to go the teriyaki, make sure you have a basted and glazed, because it's a little thicker, so you'll want that. So number one is we're going to go ahead off to the grill and put the chicken on first, and let's go ahead out to the grill. All right, we're outside here. There's actually two kitchens, outdoor kitchens, one upstairs and one downstairs, overlooking this beautiful, gorgeous view. So we're going to go ahead and put our chicken on to grill and let that sit there for about 15 or so minutes, and we'll flip it a couple times, and then we'll come back to it in just a moment. All right, so first off, we are going to take our vegetables, and we're going to cut that like right in half. I like these kind of like bright kind of vegetables that you can actually have on these peppers. And so you're just going to want to just start cutting them we're going to roast these. Some people might not want any kind of an olive oil or something on top, or you could just go straight up and put them right on the pan. So depending on how many people that you're having, if you're going to serve one or two people, then I would probably just suggest maybe one or two little peppers, but you're good to go, depends on the quantity you have. So when you get done with these peppers, you want to go ahead and grab a cooking sheet. You want to go ahead and put those on there. And so what I like to do in the kitchen is we have actually one cutting board for vegetables and one cutting board for any type of meat products. So when we get these all set up here, we're going to take these nice zucchinis, and then we're also going to take, if you're in Hawaii, you want to get one of those Maui onions, because they're absolutely delicious, but we like kind of a little sweet onion that you want to put in here, so kind of mixing this. If you like any kind of other vegetables that you want to throw in, because you have a favorite vegetable that we're not showing here today, feel free, put them in as well. After you're finishing cutting up the vegetables, go ahead and just give them a little bit of a toss. You're welcome to put any type of olive oil on it if you wish, but just a little simple dash of some salt and a little bit of a pepper will actually do. You want to have your oven at 425 degrees, and so we're going to go ahead and put that in the oven, and it only needs to be about 8 minutes or so. So while that actually is roasting there, we're going to go ahead and get our pineapple, and we're going to go stick that on the grill. So we're outside here in the grill. Our chicken is just about done. So what I did is I cut these in about maybe 1/2-inch slices, and I know the core's still in there, but they're easier to grill. So you just kind of place those here. We don't want to put these on here that long. They only want to sit on for about 5 or 6 minutes just to come out. We want to flip them about every 3 minutes, flip them, come out, because if you leave them on too long, they'll actually start drying out for you. So let's go ahead and put those on, and we're going to grab our chicken and take it back inside and go ahead and cut that up. All right, so now inside, while the vegetables are still roasting, the pineapple is on the grill, we're going to take our piece of chicken, and these are just kind of like nice bite sizes that we kind of want to have here that we can just cut up in small little cubes and have that kind of set that aside, and we'll have that set aside here ready for the vegetables. And we'll go ahead and pull out our roasted vegetables. And they look beautiful. So now here we've got our roasted vegetables, our chicken, and we've already flipped the pineapple already one time, so we're going to run back out there, grab that, and I'll be right back. All right, so here we have it. We got our pineapple off the grill with those beautiful grill marks, nice and warm, not overdone. So we just need to cut that. We got our nice warm vegetables and our chicken right off the grill. So last thing we need to do is go ahead and cut this core out. I want to cut these in nice bite-sized pieces, depending on your crowd, take out that core, and I've got them set. And so, again, you can have different types of rice. Here we have a white rice that we have here. So if you wanted any type of coconut rice or brown rice, feel free to do so. So at this point, you just kind of grab your vegetables and you just put them right on top there. And again, what's really nice though too is if you were doing this as a buffet or you had some company, you just kind of set these things out and maybe nicer platters or plates and let them come and assemble it as well. Stick a little bit of the chicken right in there and get that going. And this beautiful sweet Maui pineapple. Get all that on there. I'm kind of more of a extra pineapple guy because I love it. Oh, that's good. And then you just grab your toasted coconut, sprinkle that on top. I actually love extra coconut as well. And take again, we just talked about the based and glaze to make it a little bit thicker. Just kind of pour that just kind of on your desired quantity there. And you got that right there, and so you can actually totally see that. And you just, there it is, the rice chicken bowl. It actually, teriyaki chicken bowl, it only takes maybe about 30 minutes from start to finish. So we hope you enjoyed that. And we look forward to seeing our next episode of Cooking with Your Agent. And if you'd like to see this home, feel free to reach out to me and be happy to show it to you. That's good.